Hi, there's a notification regarding the PGDBA course. This is basically conducted by three colleges, IMC, IIT, and ISI. It's a very good program. It's been there for long years and good program. And they have a separate examination, remember that. So they have a computer-based exam test which will be conducted on 6th April 2025. This requires a high level mathematics, so it's a level higher. So normal CAT preparation will not do. You'll have to study for high level mathematics because this is more to do with pure analytics and a lot of mathematics involved. Therefore, the exam is slightly much higher than the CAT level in terms of level of mathematics. So if you're interested, you can apply. It's a very good course, 2 year full-time diploma program by IMC, and yes, the application starts 14 Feb and ends on 6 March 2025. So if you're interested, you can contact them. You can go to their website and take the admission, etc. They also mentioned their website name. As I said, it's an extremely good program. Only thing is, you need to be really good at mathematics to be able to crack the examination. So if you're not sure, go to the exam papers, just understand the pattern, and then decide whether you want to take it up or not. And the interviews will be on 17 and 18 May post the examination, right? We'll come up with more information that will help you with regards to deciding which colleges to take. Interested? Subscribe to the channel. Thank you.